Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Facebook feed not loading. First of all, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues, and make sure also that you are connected on a stable network. After that, close and reopen Facebook by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it away. Next, you're going to go to your settings app, search for iPhone storage, scroll down and look for Facebook. Click on offload app. It will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for downloads. After that, you're going to go ahead and open your app store, search for Facebook, and then see if there is an update button available. If there is, make sure to update your app with the latest version. Now, if none of these methods work, then just go ahead and restart your iPhone. Safety tip: avoid using VPN during posting. Quick fix: log out and back in, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.